Hello everyone, today I'm going to be working on closed planters. And what I mean by that is they're going to be planters that you could directly throw dirt into and put your plant into. I'm not good at drawing, but I'm going to make 2 of these closed planters, 40 inches in length, 14 inches deep, and 20 inches high. So I'm going to start off by doing my rough cuts with my cedar wood. Okay, I'm going to rough cut to 41. So I'm just going an inch over what my final measurement will be. Rough cutting is optional. I'm doing it to make my pieces more manageable to work with. Later, I can take those pieces and take them down to final length. I also like to do this to be cautious. I don't want to remove too much material because then I can't put material back. What I just realized, because I get to use the same board almost all around, like the grain's gonna go around the planter. It's gonna be nice. I'm gonna make a lot of use out of each board. So these are all going to be my vertical supports for the planter. So I'm going to cut all these to the same width. So this is the thinnest board. It's 1 inch and 3/16. So I'm going to cut them all to be a square of 1 3/16. So these are all the support beams. So I'm gonna cut all these to 20 inches with my stopwatch. Everything's cut to length, to final length now. So arrange your boards in the order you want them. And then this is gonna be the side that you'll see. So I'm gonna flip all my boards over so I can drill into the other side. Use one of your long boards as a spacer between the edge and one of your legs. I have another video on my channel that goes into more detail on how to do this, so if you want to see that video will be recommended at the end of this one. there are gaps between your boards and your legs, make sure that you close them. When you're assembling the planter and there's still gaps, you will definitely see them, so make sure you close them now. It's a lot better. See here? Kind of goes. Okay, I'm gonna do this. If you're doing the side panels, it's different. You have to use one of your support beams as a spacer. So like that. No, it died in the wood. Okay. Assembling the four sides can be really tricky by yourself. If you have big enough clamps, they come in really handy here. Make sure everything fits well and is flush. I'm using 2-inch screws here with my right angle drill bit to get into these tight spots. For these, I'm going to use 2-inch screws. This one you just have to be mindful that you don't go directly into each other, so just offset it a little bit. For this one, I'll use a smaller screw. So I'll use the ones. This one's going to be 1 5/8. I don't have as much to work with. Gonna repeat on the other one. side, go from end to end pretty much. This is from here to here. And everything's situated in there. This is pond liner. I'm going to use it to line the inside of the planter boxes to protect the wood. So I got 4 of these and hopefully it's enough. Alright, we need to poke holes in the bottom now to allow drainage for your plants. Okay. Just do this and make sure that it drains well and it drains on all sides. So the planters are ready. They're going to be stained, so I'm going to use a pre-stain to condition the wood. I'm pretty sad. It's going to be sad to stain this because this grain's so pretty. But we'll see how it looks after. You never know. I gave this sand down with 120. It was feeling really rough. And I also missed a lot of spots. So I'm gonna go over it again with another coat of stain. 2 more coats of stain later, and here are the planters. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it this far, thank you. Please like the video and let me know if you have any questions. I would love to see the planters that you made.